Hi, good day to all the gorgeous hearts out there. This is Asa from Creative Fairy Designs, and thank you for joining me for today's episode. We are going to learn how to make our own stickers using tissue paper or wrapping paper, and I'll show you how we use these stickers. So these are the stickers we're going to be making today. These are the printed designs, and these has been printed on tissue paper. I'm going to show you from start to finish how it is printed on tissue paper and also how it has been used. And this is one of the stickers that has been used in my junk journal. This is the Autumn junk journal, and this is a fern that I cut out from here and I stuck it on just like a sticker. So stay with me and let's get started. So firstly, we're going to take a piece of tissue, white tissue. And white tissue works best for printing the stickers. It gives it a more clearer finish. And we're going to cut our tissue paper just a tad bit bigger than our cardstock. So for the backing of these stickers, we are going to be using cardstock because we want something firm when we put it into our printer. So we're going to cut it just a tad bit bigger than our cardstock. And there's two sides to tissue paper. There's a shiny side and a matte side. We want the matte side facing up. Flip it over, and all these edges around, we're going to glue it down and fold it over to the back. Go right around and fold it over. Make sure it's a tight fold to the back. Fold it right around. This is to secure the tissue paper from moving. Ensure it's tightly stuck on the back. Flip it over, nice and tight. Now we are going to iron this because we want to get all these wrinkles out. So I have placed my cardstock onto my ironing board, iron out all the wrinkles. Of course, this has to be done on low heat. Just get it as smooth as you can. And this is also another way of ironing out any wrinkles there is. Just take a piece of plastic or freezer bag. I'm using a spatula, a plastic spatula, and just smoothing it out, removing all your wrinkles. Up, face up. This is the side with the tissue paper into your printer. You have to know which side your printer feeds. ET8550. Now go onto your computer where you have your document. This is where I have my document. I'm going to do a print preview. It's fine. And click OK. And when our stickers have come out of the printer, we're going to leave our stickers to dry for about half an hour. And for this last one, just as a variation, I printed it directly on this sticker helix paper. So what I did for this one, instead of sticking it on cardstock, I stuck the paper, the tissue paper, directly on this paper using glue stick, just like that. And it is an option to be used. It does have a little tiny more bubbles, which can be ironed out, and it still looks as nice. It looks vibrant as well, just compared with the rest. So this is also an option. Now we are going to cut out one of the images from our paper and use it. And there are many different ways that you can use this sticker. I'll show you the first one. I'm just going to cut this flower. And you can just fussy cut it. And this is our fussy cut. And this is our flower sticker. So I'm just going to show you how we're going to be using it. So this is an autumn journal that we made. So I'm just going to find a spot in the book where I would like to add this flower to. And I think here, this is another piece of tissue paper on a book page. So for this, because we've already glued it to our tape, we just remove the backing. We're just going to peel the backing off, just like as if you were peeling off a sticker. And place it right exactly where you want it, just like a sticker. And it sticks right down. That's one way of using it. And now another way to use it, I'm just going to cut off a piece of this pattern here, just like we were to do the tissue paper. This decorative border pattern that I have here. Of course, you can print any stickers that you want. Whatever tickles your fancy, whatever you like. These are custom made. You are designing your own stickers. I've designed these and just fussy cut it. And there's a reason why I chose tissue paper to do stickers, and that is because mostly I do junk journal. And when you do junk journal, you can end up with a lot of bulk if you print sticker on paper or cardstock. Of course, you are free to purchase stickers, but why purchase them when you can make them? And of course, custom make them, because you know junk journal has unique stickers. So another way you have, or another option you have to use these stickers, is to use it just as is, tissue paper. This one, there was the backing of the tape. For this one, we're just going to place it here into this pocket with glue, just glue alone. So place your glue stick right where you want your sticker. Place it down. Place more glue stickers necessary to ensure it sticks to the edge. And that's it. We have a lovely sticker, and it does not add any bulk to our junk journal. And of course, there's the step that everyone knows, which is placing your sticker, placing a piece of packing tape over your sticker. And we're just going to cut around the sticker. And then we just place this packing tape with the sticker into our journal. Just like this. And there is the last step, or the last piece that everybody knows, which is just tear around your sticker carefully with your fingers. It's called a finger tear. And of course, it goes without saying, we love this look. So just tear right around. We have a lovely fern here. And now we're going to use our special Mod Podge. So firstly, just place a bit of Mod Podge or any decoupage glue will work. I like using the Mod Podge. Right on the sticker and just decoupage it on the book right to the edges. Stick down the edges. Get all the corners. Stick it right into the book. And there we go, we have our own sticker. Thank you very much for staying with me, and I hope you have learned how to make your simple, easy, beautiful stickers, customized stickers on your own. Check out my coffee shop. There's lots of freebies, and thank you again.